Step 10, adding sounds and special effects. Okay, so if you did this and you're like, this is awesome, I want to take it to the next level. One thing you can do once you export that story and export your video is you can upload it onto your computer. It's a little bit stronger processing power than most of our phones have. And then you can add sounds and add extra special effects and things like that with computer-based video editing software. Now, if you're on a Mac, you can use things like iMovie. Both kinds of computer systems, Macs and PCs, can use things like Adobe Premiere. You can use Blender, Shotcut, etc. Basically, any video editor will work fine for this. It's just finding one that you like and that you feel comfortable using. And a good thing about all these video editing softwares is that there's a lot of tutorials for them online. So especially if you're a bit more of an advanced student, you can go and watch some tutorials on how to use Adobe Premiere and then go ahead and actually use it. Practice using those editing softwares is a skill, just like making these stop motion animations in the first place was a skill. The more you do it, the better you're going to get. Once you're in those softwares, in order to actually find cool sound effects, I like to go to freesound.org, where you can get lots of little sound bites that are all free. They're Creative Commons licensed, which means you can use them as long as you give the person who made them credit, and you can do that in the caption on your movie file. But you can use sound from anywhere. You can narrate it. You can make your own sounds in your house. You can bang pans together to make thunder or whatever. The sky is the limit here with adding some extra flair. And I think sound can really help these stop motions go to the next level. And I've made an example of my story, Rain Makes the Garden Grow, both with and without sound, so you can see which version you like more and try to think about how the sound sort of added to or changed the story that I was telling. Did it make you feel something different? Did it make you think of something different? Adding sound is a little bit tougher, so it's not necessarily going to be an easy step to do for everyone, but it can be a lot of fun, especially if you're enjoying this project and you want to see how far you can take it and really push your stop motion to the next level.